TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good afternoon, folks. Steve Rhodes coming to you live from sunny Delray Beach, Florida. This is your 1 p.m. update. Currently, we've got all the indices trading higher. The Dow is up by about 1.5%, nearly 400 points. The S&P 1.6%, up 54 points. 1.9% for the NDX 100. That's 207 points out there. The spot volatility index is below its 50-day exponential moving average. We'll want to watch that at the end of the day. It's trading out at 25.47. You got gold up $18. Silver's up 54 cents. That's 2% to the upside. So let's go back to the indices out here. What's going on? Well, we take a look at what's going on. We're going to take a look at one chart here that really spells out the message currently. So when prices break out, now this is a daily time frame chart that we're looking at. The very top panel is the S&P 500. Down below that, the NDX. Below that, the Dow. And then below that, the Russell 2000. So we've got our 4 core indices out here. Now on this chart, we've got several of Stevie's tools. The one tool that I want you to pay attention to right now is really the TD9 count. And really what you're looking at is the breakout levels. Those are the red horizontal lines going across my screen. We'll take a look at so when a market breaks out, ideally, what you want to do is you want to be able to buy the market as it pulls back to that breakout area. So the question is, how do you objectively identify a breakout area? Well, the tool that actually does that for you is the TD9 pattern. For those of you that are just listening now, or if you've listened in for years to the show, you know because you've seen this tool work. Well, take a look at how it's worked here in the S&P cash. 33.2644 is the number. And you can see that price pulled back. It's tested and it's rejected that level. Now, what price is doing in the S&P 500 is trading between support, which you can clearly see at 33.26, and resistance. That's Stevie's green line. That's the oscillator unchanged line. That's up at 34.53 out there. If you take a look at the NDX 100, which has gotten the schnot kicked out of it, so to speak, but all that schnot was doing was pulling right back to its breakout level. And that's at 11,106.93. It's also trading between support and resistance. Resistance now being its oscillator unchanged line, 11,700. The same thing inside the Dow. Inside the Russell 2000, actually stronger from a TD9 standpoint because price never actually made it right down to the tick. But we're not really that concerned about that. On Friday, it got close enough, which was 1483. So here's the deal. Support is held. Now let's see what happens as price makes its way up to resistance, and that is Stevie's green line. Folks, stay tuned for the Trader's Edge show, but if you're off to start your Monday, have a magnificent one, and we'll look forward to seeing you soon. Take care.